So a little lesson on how to solve linear systems by graphing. Okay, so I have two lines. This makes it a linear system. If you have two or more linear relations, you have a linear system. Solving it means I'm trying to find the point of intersection. So let's take your first line. I want to number my lines. Line 1, line 2. Line 1 I can just graph. Y equals 2x minus 3. So I start at the y-intercept of minus 3. Y-intercept of minus 3. I have a slope of 2. Which means I go over 1 and up 2. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Okay? And you draw your line once you have a few dots on there. Okay? And that is line 1. Line 2, okay, this is not written in slope y-intercept form. You want it in y equals mx plus b form, preferably, so you can easily see what your slope and your y-intercept are. So I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging and get the y by itself. So I'm going to take my 4x over to the other side, so it's going to be 2y equals 8, and then this plus 4x will turn into a minus 4x. So it's on the other side. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Then I have to divide by 2 to get just the y by itself. So I divide by 2, I divide by 2, I'm dividing everything by 2. That's going to get y equals 4 minus 2x. Now this is slope y-intercept form, but in this case they're kind of reversed. This is my slope, it has the x on it, and this is my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 4, plot that first. My slope is negative 2, which is secretly negative 2 over 1, rise over run. I go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and you can do that a couple of times. And you can put on your line, nice big line, and you label it as my line number 2, and you can see where the lines intersect. They intersect at this spot right here. That point right there is a point of intersection. Sometimes it can be easy to see off the graph. The grid points meet right at that spot, or sometimes it can be kind of in between points and be a little bit harder. That's why there's other methods of how to solve linear systems algebraically, which makes it a little bit easier to figure out exact values if it doesn't intersect at an exact spot. Regardless, you're taking two lines and you're seeing where they intersect, and that is called solving linear systems. Thank you very much.